Here are some highlights from the January issue of Onsite Installer, brought to you by Liberty Pumps. Boulders the size of trucks and 40-foot drops to the water? For Todd Willis, that's just another Tuesday. We're going on site in Connecticut to see how his crew tackles impossible slopes and why he trusts Liberty Pumps to handle the heavy lifting when effluent has to go uphill. With a focus on innovative design and a massive pro-distributor network, Liberty is the contractor's secret weapon for difficult residential and commercial sites. Offering everything from standard effluent pumps to heavy-duty grinder systems, you'll find reliable solutions at libertypumps.com. How do you install a high-capacity septic system without ruining a storefront's curb appeal? At a New York bison farm, the answer was a linear biofilter. See how they did it in our latest case study. Sometimes the best treatment plan is to keep waste streams apart. We're looking at the economics and the engineering behind waste isolation for RV dumps, kitchens, and more. Homeowners inspecting their own septic systems? In Washington state, thousands are doing just that. We're talking with a health department official to see if DIY inspections actually work or if they're just creating a bigger mess to clean up later. Whether he's designing drip dispersal on a tight lake lot or building environmental businesses in Indonesia, Alex Pepin is proving that wastewater is the ultimate green career. Heading to Indianapolis for WET 2026? Knott is bringing more than just classes. They're bringing a hands-on vacuum truck workshop and a first look at the 2026 inspection standards. Iowa is debating aerobic treatment standards while Nevada homeowners are fighting new permit fees. Whether it's a pumpless flout dosing system or the dual-purpose Dirty Bird decorative vent, we're highlighting the components that add value and curb appeal to every project. Yanmar's new TL80VS offers a 10-foot bucket height and auto 2-speed shifting for faster, smarter grading. All this and more is included in your free subscription to Onsite Installer magazine. Thank you for watching, and thank you for reading Onsite Installer. See you next month.